What's up guys, Earl here for Tech, and Realme officially launched its latest TWS earphones here in the Philippines, the Realme Buds Q2, which is the successor to the Buds Q launched last year. It is a budget device but features a stylish design and powerful bass. If you want to know more about it, just keep on watching. First, let's see what's inside the box. Opening up the box, you'll be greeted with the Realme Buds Q2. Then below that is the spare ear tips, quick start guides, and a micro USB cable. Now, checking out the design, like its predecessor, the Realme Buds Q2 comes in pebble-shaped charging case made out of plastic. It is available in two colors, black and blue. The case features an LED indicator on the front and a micro USB port at the back. Open the case, then you'll find the rounded earphones, but instead of the letter R on the exterior like the Realme Buds Q, it has a flat surface with a glossy finish and diamond pattern that shifts depending on the angle. Realme calls it the kaleidoscope lamination. The earphones features metal contacts for charging and pinholes for the microphone and environmental noise cancellation for calls. Just like the case, the earphones features a matte finish shaped just right to fit the concha, and only weigh 4.1 grams, so they're very light on the ears. It is also IPX4 water resistant, meaning it can withstand sweat. It's not exactly premium, but it feels well made for a budget device. Pairing is pretty straightforward. Upon opening the case, the earphones are already ready for pairing using Bluetooth 5.0. All you need to do is open your smartphone's Bluetooth settings and tap on the Realme Buds Q2. An audio notification will let you know if the pairing is successful. The Realme Buds Q2 features touch controls. Double tap to play or pause music, or can be used for answering and ending calls. Triple tap to play next song, then long press for 2 seconds for eject call, and press both earphones simultaneously for 2 seconds to activate or deactivate game mode. The Realme Buds Q2 also works with the Realme Link app. From there, you can customize the touch controls as well as activate its features like game mode and bass boost. The former switches to a low latency at 88 milliseconds to sync audio and video while playing games or watching movies, while the latter is to further enhance its bass performance. In terms of audio quality, the Realme Buds Q2 is loud, thanks to its 10mm dynamic drivers and very bassy. It gets muddy in higher volumes, while the mids and highs are not as detailed and lush as we prefer. But if you are the type who prefers pop and hip-hop music, you'll enjoy the energy delivered by the powerful bass, which is what you'll need if you're out running or hitting the gym. It is also good enough for watching action-packed movies. When it comes to the battery, Realme says it can provide up to 5 hours of playback from a single charge, which is good. 10 minutes of charging, on the other hand, provides 120 minutes of playback. You can get up to 20 hours of playback with the help of the charging case. At the price of 1,290 pesos, the Realme Buds Q2 is a good TWS for those who are looking for something that they can use for workouts and gaming. This is definitely one of the great options for those on a budget. So what do you guys think about the Realme Buds Q2? Let us know in the comment section below, and if you enjoyed this video, be sure to drop a like, subscribe to our channel for more content, hit that bell icon so to miss any future uploads, and be sure to visit yugatech.com for the latest tech news and reviews. This has been Rel, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.